Did you know that 90% of people quit right before their breakthrough? Here's why transformation feels so brutal. Phase 1 is excitement. You're motivated. You're ready. Everything feels possible. Phase 2 is resistance. Your old habits fight back hard. Your brain screams at you to quit. Phase 3 is breakdown. You question everything. You feel lost. You wonder if change is even worth it. This is where most people stop. But Phase 4 is breakthrough, where new habits become natural, where growth becomes automatic. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Growth feels lonely. You might lose friends who don't understand your changes. Your brain will resist every new pattern because it wants to keep you safe and comfortable. The discomfort means it's working. Every successful person felt the same pain. They wanted to quit too, but they pushed through anyway. The person making 6 figures now once felt like giving up. The disciplined millionaire once struggled with consistency. Everyone winning now once felt like quitting. Your breakthrough is waiting on the other side of your breakdown. Keep going.